Tensions between Ukraine and Russia are at their highest in years, with a Russian troop buildup near the two nations' borders spurring fears that Moscow could launch an invasion. Amid tensions with Ukraine and NATO, Russia has launched military drills across multiple fronts. Russia showed the country's new Sukhoi Su-30SM2 fighter jets on Sunday being deployed to the Kaliningrad region amid geopolitical tensions with Western countries. Dubbed Super Sukhoi the Su-30SM2 is a modernized version of the Su-30SM. The first aircraft of the new modification in the naval livery have already departed from the Irkutsk aviation plant to the place of its deployment. The Su-30SM2's main areas of improvement over the Su-30SM is an advanced engine and a new phased array radar which dramatically expands its combat capabilities. The new engine for the Su-30SM2 is the AL41F1 STVC engine derived from the top-of-the-line Su-35 jet. The new engine will provide an increased thrust-to-weight ratio, lower fuel consumption and longer time between overhauls when compared with the outgoing AL31FP engine. Other improvements include a new radar, the Irbis E, a powerful PESA-type radar also inherited from the Su-35. It will allow the Su-30SM2 to detect ground and air targets from a greater distance, with certain anti-stealth capabilities. It will also allow the fighter to use the latest long-range missiles. The aircraft is also equipped with will receive the latest integrated multi-channel communication, data exchange, navigation, and identification (OSNOD) developed for the Su-57 and to be installed on all combat aircraft. Among its advantages, it allows aircraft and drones to communicate with each other, maintain high-speed contact with ground control points, and integrate into modern combat networks. The new system will enable the Su-30SM to interact with heavy drones and fifth-generation aircraft.